I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. You're nailed up for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Hey everybody, welcome. This is just a quick video. I don't know if I'm going to get anything out as far as wood related this week. I got to get my truck, a few things done to it so I can prep for my road trip. So today I'm just going to replace, or on my tie rod in is the boot's wasted, so it won't keep grease. So I'm going to replace it, and the boot itself is broken, so I'm going to replace the boot and the end. Just getting that done, getting it set up, getting it ready to do a road trip. So I may get one video as far as woodworking goes. We'll just see how the rest of the week goes. And the main thing hinges now, once I get this done, I got to make an appointment to get the front end lined up. So it depends on when I can get that in. Basically depends when I get to leave next week. So let's get right there to get this thing torn apart and get it fixed. So you see here I have the new end, and it's got the new Zerp fitting, and there's my new boot. Easy peasy fix. Slide underneath there, pop the one off, throw that on. Hit the jack underneath there. It's this one. Yeah, it's this one here I got to replace. So I'm replacing that in there. The boot's wasted, and I know if you can't see it, but the boot that protects the other end there is torn, so I'm just going to replace it. Eventually I'm going to have to do the ball joints because I get a little bit of grease in it, but they both have a little hole in it, but they'll survive for now. This won't even hold grease because it's just too far gone, so I want to replace that now before I take the road trip. I'll try to time lapse it so you don't have to listen to dang music next door. I swear, you can't get into it, be political, people are pissed off. I don't mind listening to certain music now and then, but every damn night and every weekend I'm getting tired of it. Used to be a nice quiet area around here. It's not no more. So I'm going to get this set up for time lapse and just bang this out real quick. Well, that's it. Pretty easy. If it wasn't for having to keep moving the camera, I could have had this done in about 30 minutes. All I got left to do is throw the tire on, drop it down, we're done. I got an appointment at 8:30 in the morning, get the front end lined. That will be Thursday morning. So I think we're ready to go. Start my road trip Monday or Tuesday. Don't really matter what day. If I can get to where I want to go, look around, pick up something, get a trailer on the way back so I could pick up something else. I'm going to grease a few more things while I got this off. Go to the other side, grease it up, get ready so I know everything's done. We're good to go. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you next video. This is all on the new GoPro. Kind of different. I don't know if it sees me or not. Thanks again for watching. See you next video.